Download a 2006, 2007 Dodge Caravan, Dodge Grand Caravan, repair manual directly to your computer or tablet in seconds at 911manual.com. A downloadable Dodge Caravan repair manual covers every aspect of troubleshooting, maintenance and repair. From changing the motor oil or rebuilding the entire engine, a repair manual covers it all. The 2006, 2007 Dodge Caravan is 2,303 pages. It is the same manual that dealership mechanics and local repair shops use to service and repair your vehicle. Go to 911manual.com to download the complete factory repair manual. You can download the manual in seconds. The repair manual, seen here, covers every aspect of maintenance, troubleshooting, service and repair. You can use it to perform a simple oil change or to rebuild the entire vehicle. When you get to 911manual.com, click on the appropriate icons. Then select the manufacturer, year and model repair manual. Then download the manual. www.911manual.com, your #1 source for digital download manuals.